Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this tutorial, you will learn about the JavaScript switch statement with the help of examples, and then we are going to make an application that display the day of the weekend. Having this, let's jump right into it. Well, the JavaScript switch statement is used in decision making. In the previous video, we have just learned about how you can use JavaScript if-else statement to perform a decision-making program. You can use multiple if-else statements to perform a multi-while branch. However, this is not always the best solution, especially when all of the branches depend on the value of a single variable. So in this case, you can use a switch statement which handles exactly this situation, and it does so more efficient than repeated if-else statement, right? In programming, a switch statement is a control flow statement that tests the value of an expression against multiple cases, right? So here we have the basic syntax for a switch statement. Here we have switch and then an expression, and then if here we have case 1, here we have case, and this code will execute if the case matches the expression, right? This block of code will execute if the case match the expression, and then break if this case doesn't match with an expression, and then it jumps into case 2. So this code again will execute if the case matches the expression, and then break if this again doesn't match with the expression, so it jumps into case 3, and then finally from here, the computer will go through the switch statement and check for a strict equality between case and expression. If one of the case matches the expression, then the code inside the case clause will execute. If none of the case matches the expression, then the default clause will be executed. So from here we have the flow diagram. Here is the expression. If this expression matches with the case 1, if it matches, then the code block 1 will execute. If it doesn't match with an expression, then it jumps into case 2. If case 2 match with the expression, then code block 2 will execute. If it doesn't match with an expression, then it jumps into case 3. Is case 3 match with the expression? So if the answer is yes, the code block 3 is executed. If the answer is no, then it jumps into the default code. So if none of the case matches with the expression, then the code inside the default clause will be executed, right? Let me briefly explain this using example. Here I am going to make an application that displays the day of the week, whether the day today is Monday, whether the day today is Tuesday, whether the day today is Friday, Saturday, or Monday, or whatever the day is. So we are going to make an application that displays the day of the week. So here, using the combination of the getDay method and the switch statement, we can make this application. Before directly jump right into the code, let me explain what the JavaScript getDay method is. So here is it. The JavaScript getDay method returns the day of the week for a specified date according to local time. It returns the day of the week for a specified date according to local time. So now, today is Saturday. At the time of recording this video, the day today is Saturday, right? The value returned by getDay method is an integer, corresponds to the day of the week. 0 for Sunday, 1 for Monday, 2 for Tuesday, and so on and so forth. And it returns the weekday as a number between 0 and 6. 6 is Saturday. So here is the switch statement. Here we have an h1 element and a paragraph element having an ID value, let me say switch, and then here we have a switch statement inside a script tag right here. Then here we have a variable, let me say let day, and then here we have a switch statement. Switch new date dot get day method, then case 0. If the case is 0, then the day is Sunday, and then break. If the case is 1, the day is Monday. If the case is 2, the day is Tuesday. So and so on and so forth. From here, the value for this expression is an integer value, which is found in between 0 and 6. It corresponds to the day of the week. Like I said before, 0 for Sunday, and 1 for Monday, 2 for Tuesday, 4 for Thursday, and so on and so forth. So if the case from here is 0, then the day today is Sunday. But at the time of recording this video, the day today is Saturday, right? So when I execute this program using document.write method, then it shows that the day today is Saturday. Why? Because this getDay method in JavaScript displays an integer value 0 up to 6 according to the local time. So it displays 6, right? 6 is Saturday. It matches with K6, right? That's why when I execute the program, it gives the day today is Saturday. Saturday have an integer value of 6. That is it. Do you understand me? Alright. Now the question may be, what will happen if I remove this case 2, this case 6 from this switch statement, right? So when I remove this K6 represents Saturday. Now at the time of recording this video, the day today is Saturday. So now if I execute the program, there is no case that matches with the expression. So we didn't find any case that relates or matches with this case with an expression. So it jumps into the default statement when I execute the program. And then when I execute this program, we made a mistake right here. Change this text into day, since our variable is day, right? So now when I execute the program, we have got this value, right? The day today is looking forward to the weekend. So it relates with the case. If the case doesn't match with the expression, it jumps into the default statement, just like this. That's why we get this text which is found inside the default statement, right? By the way, your result may different from me because the result depends on the day of the week in which day you execute the program. That is it. So this is all about how you can use switch statement in JavaScript. If you have any question concerned here, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.